Hello everyone, welcome back to WarTech Vanguard. Today's video is going to challenge what you think you know about fighter jets, air combat, and the future of military power. Imagine a fighter aircraft that doesn't just fly faster or farther than anything before it, but actually thinks, coordinates its own fleet of drones, and adapts to threats in real time. A jet that could redefine air dominance for the next generation. That is exactly the vision behind the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, often called NGAD. This is the fighter expected to replace the legendary F-22 Raptor, and it represents one of the most ambitious aerospace projects ever attempted by the United States Air Force. According to official statements from the United States Department of Defense, the NGAD is not just a single aircraft, but a family of systems designed to dominate future battlefields. And once you understand what this machine is capable of, you may realize that the future of air warfare has already begun. At first glance, the exterior design of the NGAD fighter is unlike any combat aircraft currently flying. While the exact configuration remains classified, defense officials and aerospace experts consistently describe a platform built around extreme stealth, advanced aerodynamics, and modular architecture. Unlike traditional fighters, NGAD is expected to feature a tailless stealth design, meaning the vertical stabilizers seen on aircraft like the F-35 Lightning II could disappear entirely. Removing those surfaces reduces radar reflections and improves survivability against next-generation air defense systems. The aircraft's body is believed to blend smoothly into the wings with sharply angled surfaces that scatter radar signals away from enemy sensors. Large internal weapon bays will allow the fighter to carry missiles and advanced payloads without exposing them externally, preserving stealth while maintaining combat capability. Analysts from organizations such as the Congressional Research Service note that the aircraft may also feature adaptive engine inlets and heat management systems designed to reduce infrared signatures. In simple terms, this jet is designed to be incredibly difficult to detect by radar, infrared sensors, and even advanced electronic surveillance systems. Step inside the cockpit and you'll find something very different from traditional fighters. Instead of overwhelming pilots with dozens of screens and controls, the NGAD cockpit is expected to rely heavily on artificial intelligence to filter information and assist with decision-making. Early concept descriptions suggest a minimalist interface where the pilot receives prioritized data rather than raw sensor feeds. Artificial intelligence systems may analyze threats, coordinate drone wingmen, and recommend tactical options in real time. This means the pilot is no longer just flying a jet. They are commanding an entire network of aerial assets while the onboard AI handles data management and system coordination. Now here's where things get truly revolutionary. The NGAD fighter isn't designed to fight alone. It will operate with autonomous drone companions known as collaborative combat aircraft, often abbreviated as CCA. These drone wingmen will fly alongside the main fighter, performing tasks such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and even direct combat. Instead of risking human pilots in every aircraft, the NGAD pilot could command multiple unmanned drones that extend the reach and firepower of the formation. The United States Air Force has publicly confirmed that these collaborative drones are a key part of the program's strategy. Hengzi? Defense reporting from outlets like Aviation Week and policy analysis from the Center for Strategic and International Studies explain that this approach allows a single pilot to control a small air fleet, dramatically increasing combat flexibility. Imagine entering contested airspace with a stealth fighter at the center and multiple AI-guided drones acting as scouts, missile carriers, and electronic attack platforms. Performance is another area where NGAD is expected to push boundaries. While exact numbers are classified, experts anticipate the aircraft will incorporate next-generation adaptive cycle engines currently being developed by major aerospace companies. These engines are designed to switch between high-efficiency cruise mode and high-thrust combat mode. According to research programs funded by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, adaptive engines can significantly improve range, fuel efficiency, and thermal management compared to current fighter engines. Analysts believe NGAD could achieve longer combat radius and better fuel economy than existing stealth fighters. Some reports also suggest the platform may support optional manned operation in the future, meaning certain missions could potentially be flown without a pilot on board. However, I cannot confirm whether this feature will be included in the final operational version because official specifications remain classified. Safety and survivability are major priorities in a program like this. Future battlefields will include advanced missile defenses, electronic warfare, and cyber threats. To survive in such an environment, the NGAD fighter is expected to incorporate layered defensive systems. These may include advanced electronic warfare, suites,